Hey Samsung fans! The Galaxy Watch 8 series just leaked, and it's bringing a bold new squircle design. Is this the smartwatch upgrade you've been waiting for? Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the hottest tech scoops. Let's dive into these juicy leaks. Samsung's about to shake up the smartwatch game with the Galaxy Watch 8, Watch 8 Classic, and Watch Ultra, set to launch next month alongside the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and the Z Flip 7. Leaked renderers from sources reveal a fresh squircle design inspired by last year's Galaxy Watch Ultra. Ready to see what's coming? Keep watching! The Galaxy Watch 8 and Watch 8 Classic are rocking a new design language with a squircle shape. Think sleek corners and a modern vibe. The Watch 8 might come in with a sharp white color, while the Classic goes bold in black with a thicker bezel and notches for its fan-favorite rotating bezel. Nav bezel is back to making navigation a breeze. These watches are looking stylish and functional. What's your vibe? The Galaxy Watch Ultra 2025 is also part of the lineup, continuing the premium design trend. Leaks suggest the Watch 8 Classic might borrow the quick button from last year's Ultra, adding fast access to your favorite features. While hardware details are still under wraps, the squircle aesthetic across all three models screams innovation. Is Samsung setting a new standard for smartwatches? After months of quiet, Samsung's ready to make waves with the Galaxy Watch 8 series. The new design, rotating bezel, and possible quick button show that they're blending style with practicality. Launching next month, these watches could steal the show alongside Samsung's foldables. Are they enough to outshine the competition like Apple Watch? Let's hear your take. The Galaxy Watch 8 series drops next month, and these leaks have us hyped. Whether you're eyeing the sleek Watch 8 and bezel-powered Classic or the premium Ultra, Samsung's bringing something for everyone. Which model are you most excited for? Drop your thoughts below. That's the scoop on the Galaxy Watch 8 series leaks. Are you loving the squircle design, or is the rotating bezel stealing the show? Drop your thoughts in the comments. We read every single one. If you're pumped for this news, smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell icon for more tech updates.